Gemini, we got some things. You and you and Taurus pulled the exact same card. So watch this, and then go watch the Taurus one as well, because you might get something from that. Intro, and I'm ridiculous. Oh, yes, full moon in the Leo, and boom, you're welcome. We're wearing them because it feels correct. Here we are at the Open Jar Studios. We are listening to our Uranus and our Mars because they are trying to change everything. So lean into that right now. Lean into the change, surrender to it, allow it to happen. There's a reason why it will always work out. Okay, here's what's happening. Almost pulled out my fringe. Leo moon, Aquarius sun, directly opposite each other. Leo moon is at 9, Aquarius sun is at 9, right next to Jupiter, also at 9. This is huge. This is like a choir. This is like a big, big, big choir of angels saying, Leo sun, this is what inspires you. Deep, 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 deep down into your subconscious, this is what is part of your being, part of what makes you so uniquely beautiful, part of what connects you to spirit. Jupiter above, next to the Aquarius, says we are expanding your possibility with the collective. So what this choir is saying, this is your gift to the collective. Oh, yeah, I know. It's a great time. The other heavy hitters of this moment are Venus and Pluto. The reason why I'm wearing this today is because I looked at this chart and I was gooped and gagged by the Venus-Pluto, both at 25 degrees right next to each other. That was the very first thing that my mind went to. And when I often think of Pluto as like the Persephone journey, and Venus is obviously a huge player in that, Venus being values, love, tangibility, sex, coin, the actual dollar. Pluto being divine transformation, surrender, explosion. How can you surrender to transforming your values? How can you surrender to being grounded within what you're gonna bring for spring? How can you surrender to the journey? So, that is what we are going... Come on now. That is what we are going to talk to the cards about today. We're going to ask, what can I, Persephone journey down, with the concrete specificity of finding my unique inspiration for the collective. Casual, right? Okay. Enjoy. Okay, so. No. Okay. Blockage stalemate is what the Two of Swords is. Where are you blocked? Where are you staled? Where have you stalled? You know, okay. Your Mercury is right in this moment with Jupiter and the Sun. You're technically not in a conjunct with them because you're too far away, but it feels like you have this example of expansiveness directly behind you, and you're like, what? And you're about to go in retrograde, Mercury. You're about to retrograde on the 30th. So you've traveled a lot. You got the support of the North Node helping you. You're running, but you're kind of like, hold on, what? You're kind of like looking back. And because you're looking back so much, you're finding a lot of sadness. And these two things are upside down, the Daughter of Wands and the Daughter of Swords. So this is the wonderment of fire and air. Both upside down. See? The wonderment of fire energy, creative energy, and communication. The wonderment of how much you love to talk, how much you love to learn. And I think what we're stalemating is the juxtaposition between expansiveness and tangibility. It's the juxtaposition of the Jupiter Sun being like, whoa, and being like, wait a minute, I'm being reminded of sadness all around me. How do I look at communication in a wonderful way where nobody's in the same room? This is bullshit. I don't want to create right now. I'm tired. You are not alone. You are not alone. Call your friends. Get creative about how you dance with your friends. Get creative about what you can create with your friends in this new medium. On a Zoom, on a FaceTime. Remember when we were doing house party? Take a breath. Take a breath. Stop running. Stop freaking out. Stop fretting. And inhale the clarity of your Leo moon. Inhale the clarity of inspiration. And allow yourself to get clear about the wonderful side of these dramatics, the wonderful side of your communication and your creativity, and then go call your friends. Now, when Mercury's in retrograde, that's revisit, realign, redance. This is going to affect you ferociously. So, give yourself some grace. You're okay. Bye. Ooh, we did it. We just did 4 hours of filming. Thank you for that energy. Thank you for watching the vid. So here's what's happening. I was talking about this in the Pisces video. That thing that you've been sitting on, that thing that you've been worried about putting out there, that thing that you've been like, that was downloaded, that you're like, oh, I'm gonna do that. Stop talking about it and do it. It's time. Make the announcement, call the person, send the email, do it. Utilize the change. Utilize the Mars-Uranian change for positivity. Don't fight it. Yesterday, I did it. I've been talking about these things for so long, and I just like sat down and did it. And I almost threw up after I did it. I started a fan, I guess it's a fan page on Facebook, Paul Flangen, @SensiblePaul. All of my readings and stuff are gonna go there. You obviously are there because that's how you saw this. I'm starting a Patreon. So if you want exclusive content, I've been filming some exclusive stuff and recording some exclusive meditative bike rides. I've been recording some bike rides, and that content will be on the Patreon. So follow me there. I'm gonna do one tier to start and then we're gonna grow. So hashtag affordable, but go over to the Patreon at SensiblePaul. And then, the one that I almost threw up about, I am starting an OnlyFans. This is going to be a spiritual-based OnlyFans. DM me if you want more details on that. It's time. Here's the big opportunity here. With the inspiration center of the Leo moon, we have an opportunity to clock into what our personal mission statement is. I realized recently that my personal mission statement is to be an advocate for holistic authenticity. Yep. That means that I am advocating for all of it. So, moving forward, that's what we are going to do. Last Saturday, we had the workshop, Process Manifest Workshop. I'm doing it again on the 30th. If you would like to attend the workshop, DM me. I have an artist discount. I'll tell you all about it. It was so profoundly beautiful. I'm so thankful to all who attended. Please join me. We talk about all the things. I have some videos down below in my feeds. So, you are loved. You are beautiful. You are not alone. You are seen. I am here for you. Let me know if you want to come to the workshop. If you want help figuring out what your mission statement is, the workshop would be perfect for you. Don't let money stop you. Okay? We'll figure it out. These are hard times, but not that hard. Bye.